one. Today's the first day. It's on tomorrow, and there's a china cabinet added.
Oh.
It's on your side up here.
Okay.
Looks like it's probably the corner one here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Should I turn the corner? Sure.
Yeah, sure. Park there. Doesn't say you can't.
Yeah. Looks like we got lots of stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's check it out.
Okay. Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Shelf things are free. Yeah, we'll take those.
Okay.
Okay.
Stuff in the garage there, a bunch of hundreds of DVDs and stuff in the fridge, stove,
Okay.
china cabinet.
Oh my god. It's so cold.
It is.
In the shade, in the wind. I think my mom and dad had that headboard. Oh, look at the devil's instrument.
Oh, it's the devil's music, yeah. Devil's instrument. You're right. All the music and movies.
Yeah. 10 for $5. It's a pretty good price.
It is pretty good. Too bad we don't need any of them.
No.
It's 50 cents each, 10 for $5.
Yeah, I know. That is good. Oh, what's this here? Wild Animals of the World. Doesn't look that old. Alana's book. Bet it, 48. I bet it has nice pictures in it. Yeah, some of them are color. Oh, yeah. Does that interest you?
I like pillows.
Is this a GPS? It is.
No way.
And here's
You
the
found one.
Here's the mount.
Hey! I wonder if it works.
Probably. I don't know how much it
I
is
just
though.
turned it on.
Oh,
Garmin Street Pilot.
yeah. Oh, there you go.
Map update notifying. Map data is more than a year old. Yeah.
Well,
So is our other one.
yeah. So here's the thing. Oh, and it just has a. It's just hardwired to plug in. Looks like it clips on.
This clips onto that.
Yeah.
I think we should get that.
Yeah, I think so too. That just goes in here. Yeah, I think.
Yeah. Oh, here's another one.
Oh,
Yeah, we have two of them.
they both work good still.
Yeah, we have them.
Wait, ours just broke.
Yeah.
So we're looking for another one.
Yeah.
Ours just broke.
Yeah.
Would you give us a deal on both of them?
Yeah, how much are you wanting for them?
He was the navigator and he was the driver. I could tell him where to go.
Yeah, well, I mean, that part was good, right?
I was thinking $10 each in my head.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, and then do you want your
And
that
then what
pillow?
about this pillow?
No, that's not a pill.
Yeah, that's a
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
that's
a pillow.
The pill. Oh, I thought that was
$5?
It's spread.
Sure.
There's
The cords and stuff are in there.
Should everything's.
no,
It looks like. Oh, checking in there.
there was
Do you keep your diamonds in there? Because we'll just leave that closed.
This is what I was looking for.
Oh, the book. Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you.
Give you that. 25.
And then we're gonna grab your free shelves.
Shelves at the end of the driveway
Yeah.
there.
Well, okay. So, can you carry one? I'll carry one, or for these? Okay.
Yeah. Hey, thanks, guys.
Thank you. You too. Got 'em? They're a little heavier than you think.
Hey. 2 GPS units.
For cheaper than I could find them.
My bamboo pillow.
Yep.
And a couple free shelves to pay for all that.
That's great.
Fix these up and sell them.
Yeah.
And make my 25 bucks back that I just... Oh.
If I do. Might hang them in the garage.
Oh, yeah, that would work too.
Yeah. We'll see. But I'm like, for free. Yeah.
And they're thick wood. Like,
Yeah, they're good wood.
thick that is.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Right.
Just set them on top. Give me that. Okay. That's not a pillow. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a pillow.
Yeah. She doesn't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are expensive on TV.
I know. That's why I was like,
Yeah, I'm glad you spotted it.
does that interest you?
Yep, absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I think there's one more. Can't believe we found.
I know, we got a GPS unit.
Woohoo!
2 of them.
I knew we should be able to find some at a garage sale.
Well, I was just looking, I was like,
That's why I was holding off.
hey, is that a...
I didn't even see those lying there. So good on you for spotting that. Excellent. Sweet. We'll use our phone for this last sale, but
Yeah.
next weekend we'll definitely be using these GPS units. Or one of them anyway.
Oh, I don't know what this stuff's all about.
20 bucks for 2 units. I mean, it's a steal.
Oh, that must be a
Brand new sticky. Cool.
$10 each.
Yeah.
That one powered on right away.
Yeah, it did.
So obviously the battery's good.
Yeah.
Because they haven't used it in how long?
This one's a little TomTom. That's a Garmin.
Yeah. Comes
Yeah.
in a little case. Sweet.
Good stuff.
Mm-hmm. Which one is it? No, up.
Yeah.
The one where it's open.
Yep.
Yeah. So, ooh. No. Nobody can get by you here. Oh, something.
That car.
Well, it's just because of this. Garbage can.
Well, we're good.
It's the last one, so too bad, so sad.
Yeah.
I don't think we'll be here long anyway.
No,
so
me neither. A bunch of Wii games there.
Oh, really? Well, we probably have them all though.
Yeah, I probably do. Hello.
Look at that.
Spotted.
Yeah, that's cool. That's leather, I think. Oh, I think I have to have that.
Yeah, I think that's a good find.
Yeah, I think so.
Is it leather? Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Oh, yeah?
Big Bend.
Regina. Ron Thomas. Do you know Ron Thomas? No? What's this one? Royal Canadian Air Force. But it's not as old, I don't think. That's nice though. What are you looking at? Oh.
He recognized you guys when you guys pulled up.
Oh.
He's like, those are those bargain people from
Yeah.
The bargain people.
And I'm like, what?
You see this on YouTube?
He is addicted to like antiquing and
Oh, yeah,
estate sales.
That's what we
Oh yeah.
That's all he does. He's like, he'll get up at 4:30 in the morning to go to estate sales, and he like checks the bottoms. He looks at little engravings.
Oh, he knows what he's looking for, obviously.
That's good. That's good.
That's why a lot
Cool.
of his stuff is like, why are you pricing this so high? Do you know how much this is online? I'm like, no.
Oh, that's cool that you recognize us. Thanks.
Yeah.
I'm always impressed when anybody other than my mother is watching.
Especially when they're young, right?
Right. Exactly.
Yeah, actually, you're right, because most of our demographic is 60 plus.
He's so excited.
No, that's cool.
He's like, yeah, he's gonna have like this little webcam thing.
Yeah.
And I'm like, oh my God.
Here, you hold this. So
What other kind of antiques do you collect?
Whatever you see here, just
Yeah?
random stuff.
Just random, whatever catches your eye.
Yeah.
We're mostly into like Victorian era, turn of the century. Our house is like 1931.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's all original inside.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. It means to embarrass you. I just thought that was fangirl, but
Oh, cool. We're always happy to
But yeah, some people will come up and they're like,
meet a fan.
"Hi, how are you?" Like, and I'm like, "Good. Who are you?" You know. But they watched us for like the last 2 years. They feel like they know us, and then they're just like, come over and hi.
your competition.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, that's cool. We should
That's
do
okay.
Collabs and everything.
Yeah, those ones.
So did you
they
know
can
it
be
was us
good.
as soon as you saw the truck or something? Or?
I saw her actually.
Oh, she is the most recognizable out of the two of us. So.
Well, because you
It
were
is
wearing the
cute.
camera, so you don't really see him that much in the truck, though.
Yeah, you're mostly on video. But no, that's cool. What's your name?
William, yeah.
William. Nice to meet you. Yeah, you too.
Yeah, you too. Stay warm. It's chilly. That wind, hey.
Sun will get here. Come on.
Yeah. No kidding.
Good luck and
Yeah.
have fun.
Thanks.
Thank you. See ya.
Cool.
Yeah,
It's always cool to meet people that watch our show, and
it is.
I just never expect it in our city because we're such a small city that I just don't. I don't know. It's I always think of YouTube as a larger reach. United States, larger cities. I don't expect people from our little tiny town to find us online. So it's always cool when that happens.
Yeah, that was the last one. Save the best for last.
Yeah.
To meet. Yeah, that's funny.
Cool.
That he was excited. Don't run into their garbage cans. You know what looks good? Even your Christmas lights up all year. Yeah. Especially when you get like that really beautiful sun faded look, so they're just a little bit of color left to the bulbs. That looks the best.
Hey guys, thanks again for joining us on yet another great picking adventure. If you haven't subscribed yet, please get down there, hit that subscribe button. We're trying to get to 10,000 this year and we really need your help to do it. And if you like this video and you haven't already done so, hit that like button. It is a great way to support our channel, and it helps push this video out to people who may not know about us yet. We love you guys. Thanks again, and on to the next.